Today, we will go over what to do when someone who claimed your offer visits your business. From the dashboard, you can click on the Offers Claim button. This will show you every single person that has claimed one of your offers. You can also check who they were referred by or from what source they came from. Let's say this customer visited your business and purchased a session or a product. Then it's time to redeem their offer. This is important because if a person referred them, this is the way that they will get their referral reward. Another thing is that the new customer will also get a text promoting the referral program. There are two ways you can redeem your offers, from the back end or from the customer's phone. To do it from the back end, from the dashboard, as we did, click on the Offers Claim button, and from the hamburger menu on the right side of your contact, click Redeem. This will open up the Offers section for that contact, and you can see the offer itself. Click the Redeem button. You will need the employee PIN code, which is by default the last 4 digits of your business number. You can also add a note. You can also redeem it directly from their phone. They will receive a text message with their voucher link, like this one here. They can open it to check their offer out. From there, you can click Redeem and enter your 4-digit PIN code.